With OrderTime, you can create an order approval workflow using document status and alerts. This will work for both purchase orders and sales orders. In this example, we have a staff member who creates a PO, then needs to inform a manager that the PO needs approval. The first thing I do is create a separate document status, a doc status, called needs approval. Just basically, you can start typing in like so, select the processing, and you can move it up and down and save. So I've created that. I've also created an alert. Okay. So the alert that I created is called PO needs approval. So let's take a look at that. So the transaction type is a purchase order. It's going to run after change status, and the status that it's going to run after is needs approval. And this will result in sending a task to the user, Ian Benolio. I can also set up a user group, so it's a group of people that will get a task. So now I'm going to log in as the staff member to create the purchase order. So I'm now logged in as the staff member that created this purchase order, and you can see that I cannot change the status to approve, but I could change it to needs approval. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm now logged in as the manager, the approver, and now I can see that I have a new task called alert PO needs approval. I would click on that, which would open up the approval, and I just kind of go down and approve it. That concludes this demo.